So what Neil's asking me is this. If I put too many search terms onto my listing, so if I put red and yellow and pink and green and purple and orange and blue all in here, will that then weaken the word blue and its relative ranking for that particular product in the search engine results page? I hope I've explained that in a way that you understand that. The answer is no, it won't. The way that you weaken words in the search results, let's just go over here and let's just search for, let's do fluffy toys instead of fluffy dildos. The way that you weaken a word relative to a product is by not making any sales on that word. So imagine that you are trying to rank this product here for the words fluffy toys. Now, look, this is a massively obvious thing to say, but clearly that is not a great fit for the search term fluffy toys. This fluffy slime putty is not a good fit for the search term fluffy toys. So what will happen is, over time, Amazon will see that every time somebody types in fluffy toys, they do not click on this product here, because that's a slime toy, slimy, not fluffy. And what will happen is Amazon will simply stop showing it altogether, because what Amazon is trying to do, it's trying to maximize revenue for any given search term. Embed that in your brain and you will do really, really well on Amazon. Amazon is all it's trying to do is every single time somebody comes to Amazon and types something in, Amazon is trying to make a sale. It's trying to maximize the amount of money it makes per customer, just as it should do. So what Amazon seeks to do, therefore, is show products that will make sales for any given search terms. So if your product that you're trying to do SEO on for fluffy toys for this product, for instance, this one right here, well, if you don't make sales, you won't get good rankings. And that's how Amazon works, Neil. So it's irrelevant how many keywords you have on your listing is irrelevant. What is relevant is how many sales you make for any given keyword. The more sales you make per keyword, the more you will rank in Amazon. I cover that. Warning, blatant sales pitch alert, blatant sales pitch alert. In my awesome Amazon SEO course, I go into that in much, much more detail. If you want like a PhD in how Amazon really, really works for SEO, then that's the course to get, the Amazon SEO course. It's at amazonseo.com.au, and I go really deep into exactly how the Amazon matrix works so that you can understand how to make your product rank on Amazon by playing Amazon's game with it. Super, super important that you do that. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue
who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.